Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to 12th Maths first, topic number 2 matrices, subunit method of inversion. Hello students, in 12th Maths first we had started topic number 2 matrices. In last video we had seen what are the finding the inverse of the matrix by two methods, by elementary transformation and by adjoint method. You had learned in last video we had learned finding inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. For this we had find minor and cofactor of the given matrix. Then what is the formula? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. Are you recall all these concepts? Are you practice all the example on these two methods? I had told you to complete both the exercise. Okay. Now today we will see what is the application of matrices. Where we use this matrices? You can use the matrices in different ways. In previous we had seen concept of inverse of matrix. Now we here discuss application of matrices for solving system of linear equation. We use these matrices for solving system of linear equation. In 10th standard, in 9th standard you had learned how to find solution of linear equations in two variables, that is simultaneous equation by reduction method, by substitution method, or by putting variable, eliminating coefficients. You had learned. Now we use these matrices also for solving system of linear equation. For this we convert the given system of equation in the form of matrices. बघा त्यामध्ये इक्वेशन होते त्याचं आपण कन्वर्ट करतो, पण तर दिलेले इक्वेशन काय करायला लागेल आपल्याला मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी आय हियर टेक एक्झाम्पल सपोज 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 is the equation, any equation, and x minus 4y is equal to 8. Suppose these are the two equations. You had learned how to solve these two equations. Now we use this in matrices. So we convert this into matrix. You can write this equation as such as 2x plus 3y and x minus 4y is equal to 5 to 8. We use in these matrices. So we write this equation in matrix form. Also you can write, the product rule, addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. You had learned in 11th standard. You can write this as, suppose I write in this way. Here x, y are coefficient and here 2, 3, 1 minus 4. See 2x plus 3y. Okay. Then x minus 4y is equal to 5 and 8. You can write in this way. And here you suppose this as, matrix A. You suppose this as matrix X, variables of matrix, and you suppose this matrix as B. So we get it is in the form as AX is equal to B. We get this matrix in the form AX is equal to B. Now we have to find the values of X and Y. Here we have to find the value of X and Y. So how can we find the value of X here? Here we want the value of x. So there are two methods of finding value of x. First method is method of inversion. Method of inversion. And second method, here is method of reduction. Okay, and understand student? We can use matrices for solving system of linear equations. So for this we convert this into first in matrix form, and then here we find this x by two methods, method of inversion and method of reduction. These two methods we will see in today's video and in the next video. So in today's video we will start first method of inversion. By using method of inversion, how to find the values of x. Here x matrix means values of x and y variable. Okay, so let's start. See the first method of inversion. What is the method of inversion? See, from the name of this method you can guess that here we are going to use inverse of the matrix. Inversion. In the word inversion we say that we use here method of inverse of matrix. So as I told you, we write the given matrix as Ax is equal to B. So we here use inverse of the matrix. So here we pre-multiply by A inverse. When A inverse exists, if determinant A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. So you pre-multiply by A inverse. A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B. Okay. So you multiply A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. A into A inverse is nothing but R. Rx is equal to A inverse B. So we get identity matrix into X is X. X is equal to A inverse B. For method of inversion, see, first we pre-multiply by A inverse, we get X is equal to A inverse into B. Now you find this A inverse either by transformation, row transformation or column transformation, or you can find A inverse by adjoint method. You had learned these two methods of finding inverse. You find A inverse by any one of the method and then put the value here. Put the value of matrix B, you multiply there, you get the value of X. Okay, understand how to find? We will see example based on it. See students, example first, solve the equations 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 by the method of inversion. Here we have to find by the method of inversion. So first see, here you find determinant A also. The given equation can be written in the matrix form as, can be written in the form, which is the form Ax is equal to B. You call this equation number first. What is the A? X means here it is 2 by 2. Okay. X means variables. Which are the variables here? X, y. And A matrix is of order 2 by 2. Here you write first column is of X variable and second column is of Y. 2, 5 and here 1. 3, 2 and here 6. Okay. You can write the given equation in the form matrix form. Okay. You write first. Now here you multiply equation 1 by pre-multiply equation 1 by A inverse. What we get? A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B. That is A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into A is R. Rx is equal to A inverse into B. So we get X is equal to A inverse into B. You call this equation number second. Okay. So we get X is equal to A inverse B. We have to find X. B we have known. B is 1, 2, 1 7 matrix. We find A inverse by any one of the method out of two methods. either by row transformation or column transformation or by adjoint method. I will find by adjoint method. For this we find determinant A. Determinant A is 2, 5, 3, 2, which is equal to 2 are 4 minus 5 3 are 15. So we get determinant A as minus 11. We get determinant A value as minus 11. Okay. Now you find cofactor, that is minor. Okay. Cofactor of matrix A is cofactor of matrix A is, how to find cofactor, you know, this is the A matrix. So cofactor of this matrix is 2. You directly write or you can simplify. Okay, you first simplify. What is the minor M11? Or directly write A11 is equal to, A11 is, you neglect this row and column, first row and first column, it is positive. Now you directly write the steps. Here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, हे सगळं लिहायची गरज नाही आहे. हां, डायरेक्टली तुम्ही फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम मध्ये असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह येणार आहे, ऑड इवन नंबर असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह येणार आहे, ऑड नंबर असेल तर निगेटिव्ह येणार आहे. सो यू निग्लेक्ट दिस रो, यू गेट आन्सर 2. देन A12 is, A12 you neglect this row and column, you get 3 means minus 2. A21 and A22. A21 means you neglect this row and column, you get 5 minus 5. And you neglect these 2 row, we get 2. Therefore, cofactor of A is given by 2 minus 3 minus 5, 2. We get cofactor. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactor means 2 minus 3 minus 5, 2. Okay, understand? Here I directly find the cofactor. In the earlier video we find first element, then minor and then cofactor. By practice you directly write here. Okay, so we get adjoint of A as 2 minus 5 minus 3 and 2. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. 1 upon, what is the value of determinant A? Minus 11 into adjoint of A is 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, we get this value. Now here A inverse we get. Put the value of A inverse in equation 2. From equation 2 you write x is equal to, A inverse is 1 upon minus 11, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. And what is the B? B is 1, 7. Okay, so you write here 1 upon minus 11. Here you multiply. This matrix is ordered 2 by 2 and this is of order 2 by 1. So answer is of the matrix 2 by 1. Okay, येणारा मॅट्रिक्स असणार आहे 2 by 1 चा, म्हणजे 2 रोज आणि 1 कॉलम असणार आहे. 2 1 जा 2, 5 7 जा minus 35. Here minus 3 plus 40. So you get minus 1 upon 11 into, this is minus 33 and here 40 minus 3 is 11. So you multiply here 11 and divide करा, what is the answer? Therefore we get x is equal to minus 33 upon minus 11 and here 11 upon minus 11. So we get x as 11 3 and 11 1. So we get the x matrix as 3 and 1. And x means, what is the x? X means xy. xy. We get as 3 and minus 1. So you find here matrix. Hence by equality of matrix we get hence these two matrices are same, therefore we write means by equality of matrix we get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. This is the final answer we get. Okay. We had seen how to find this equation in 9th standard, from 9th standard, 10th standard. But we use application of matrices for solving these linear equations also. Okay, understand? First you write the given matrix in the form Ax is equal to B. Then you pre-multiply by A inverse, find x is equal to A inverse into B. You find A inverse by transformation or by adjoint method. Here I find by adjoint method. For this you find determinant A, then you find cofactor of each element, then adjoint of A, write the formula and then simplify. Here you multiply. For multiplication it is 2 by 2 and here it is 2 by 1. So given multiplication matrix order is 2 by 1. You simplify, you get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. Okay, I here given an example which is of matrix. There are two variables present x, y. So order is here 2 by 2. Next example we will take order 3 by 3. That is variable 3 present. See students, second example. Solve the following equations by method of inversion. X minus y plus z is equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0. And x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Observe students, here in the first example there are two equations and variable presents are 2xy. There are three equations and variable present are 3 here, x, y and z. Understand what is the difference in first question and in second question. So here you write first given required matrix is, we write given equation as, we write given equation in matrix form as, in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. Okay. See, x means variables. Which are the variables present here? X, y and z. And which are the constant terms present here? 4, 0 and 2. 4, 0 and 2. And here A is the matrix of order 3 by 3. So here first column is of x, y and z. X is 1, y is -1, z is 1. 2, 1 and -3. Then 1, 1 and 1. First you write the given equation in the form Ax is equal to B. Okay. Now you pre-multiply by this equation first. Pre-multiply equation 1 by A inverse. What do you get? See, A inverse into A into x is equal to A inverse into B. Rx is equal to A inverse into B. That is, x is equal to A inverse into B. You call this equation number 6. Okay. Now here you find A inverse by row transformation or by any method, one of the method, by adjoint method. Here I find A by adjoint method. First you find determinant A. Determinant A is 1, -1, 1, 2, 1, -3 and 1, 1, 1. This is the determinant A. You simplify this 1 into bracket. 1 minus 3. Minus 1 into bracket. 2 minus 3. Plus 1 into bracket. You neglect this row. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 into bracket, -1 is plus, 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 1 into 1. That is 4 plus 5 plus 1. So we get this as 10. We get determinant A as 10. Okay. Now by adjoint method we find the cofactor. Find the cofactor of each element first. A11. You neglect this row and column, you get 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means 4. Then A12. You neglect this row and column. First row मध्ये positive and नंतर काय येणार negative. You neglect this row and column. 2 minus plus 2 plus 3. 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. 2 plus 3 5. And here the odd number, therefore minus 5. साइन नंतर बघूया पाहिजे आपण हा हे सगळे एलिमेंट काढून घेऊया पहिल्यांदा. A31 then A22 A32 A32 and A32 sorry here A23. You find first all these elements and then you will take the sign. A13 this is the element. 2 1s are 2 minus 1 means 1. Then A22 you neglect this row and column. Minus 1 means minus 2. Okay. Then this element you neglect this row. 1 plus 3 means 4. Then next this you neglect this row and column. 1 plus 1 2. Lastly 1 A31 means this element. 3 minus 1 2. A32 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. A33 1 plus 2 3. Okay. Then बघा इथं इव्हन नंबर असेल तर साइन काय बदलते. ऑड नंबरला साइन बदलणार आहे. इव्हनला साइन बदलणार नाही. ऑडला साइन बदलणार नाही. पॉझिटिव्ह. इव्हनला बदलणार नाही. ऑडला साइन बदलणार आहे. इव्हनला नाही. ऑडला बदलणार आहे साइन. इव्हनला नाही. ओके. काय इव्हनला बदलणार नाही कारण -1 असतो इव्हन नंबर आला तर काय होणार आहे पॉझिटिव्ह होणार आहे. ओके. therefore you write cofactor of matrix A is equal to 4 minus 5 1 then 2 4 minus 2 and 2 5 3. This is we get the cofactor of the given matrix. Okay. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to you write transpose 4 minus 5 1 2 4 minus 2 2 5 3. Okay. Cofactor matrix काय मिळाला बघा. Adjoint of 8 4 2 2 minus 5 1 2 and 3. See here A32 element see once again. Here -3 sorry here 0 is there. Okay. This element is 0. Which element is 0? Here this element is. See which one is the 0? A22 this element. You neglect this one column. 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1. It is 0. Okay. And A32 is this element. -3 minus 2. Here 0 is there. 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 and 2 5 is here. Okay. -5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. We get this adjoint of A. Now you find A inverse. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant into adjoint of A. 1 upon what is the determinant value 10 into adjoint of A is this matrix 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. Okay, we get A inverse. Therefore equation 1 becomes equation 2 becomes what is the equation 2? X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is 1 upon 10 into matrix 4 -5 0 5 1 -2 3. And what is the matrix of B? B matrix is 4 0 and 2. C, it is of order 3 by 3 and it is of order 3 by 1. So final answer matrix is of order 3 by 1. Means there are 3 rows and 1 column. Okay. So you write here 4 4 is 16 plus 0 plus 2 2 is 4. 4 5 is 20 minus 20. 0 plus 5 2 is 10. 1 4 4 is 4 minus plus 0 plus 3 2 is 6. So you get 1 upon 10 into bracket 20 here minus 10 and here 10. We get x as, okay. Now x means x, y, z. So we get x, y, z as you divide by 10. 10 2 is 20, 10 1 is 10 and 10 1 is 10. That is we get x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to 1. This is the final answer. X is equal, you write by equality of matrices, you write x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to 1. Okay students, here it is of 3 by 3, you write this way. Here up to this step is easy. Now here you find inverse. For this you will find determinant 8, then write cofactor. Here I write cofactor directly. कसं याचं कारण काय a11 म्हणजे हाय एलिमेंट रो कॉलम करायचं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करून लिहायचं. आणि इव्हन नंबर असेल तर इथं प्लस येणार आहे. ऑड नंबर असेल तर प्लस मायनस करायचं मायनस प्लस होणार. ओके. इन दिस वे यू फाइंड फर्स्ट कोफॅक्टर, then write cofactor matrix adjoint of A, transpose of this matrix. You use the formula and then here you make the product. It is divisible by 10, so you divide 20 by 10 to minus 10 by 10 minus 1, 10 by 10 1. Okay. In this way we had seen what is the application of matrices. We can use matrices for solving system of equations. In that we had seen one of the method of solving equation, that is method of inversion. इन्व्हर्जन मेथड मध्ये आपण काय केलेलं आहे, इन्व्हर्स फाइंड केलेला आहे. इन्व्हर्सचा वापर केलेला आहे, ए इन्व्हर्सनं मल्टिप्लाय केलेलं आहे. आणि तर ए इन्व्हर्स काढताना मी दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला कशाने दाखवलेलं आहे, ॲडजॉइंट मेथडने दाखवलं आहे. तुम्ही ए मॅट्रिक्स घेऊन या ए मॅट्रिक्सचं कन्व्हर्जन बाय रो किंवा कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्सचं देखील करू शकता आणि त्यामध्ये देखील एक्सची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही काढू शकता. ओके, अंडरस्टँड. सो स्टुडंट्स, today we had completed one of the method of solving equation, that is method of inversion. Your today's homework is write all the examples in this video and also example in the textbook. Okay, in the next video we will see second method, that is method of reduction. Okay, today we will stop here. Thank you.